Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kashif Malik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you are going to install these big Fenders XC11 in a BOARDMAN MHD 8.9. Let's open the pack and see what's inside. So in this pack, you will be having a big rear fender, Defender XC11 for 29er. Let's check it out what else you have in the pack. The front mudguards, 2 pieces of front mudguards. Fittings, and some hardwares. So let's see how it looks on this BOARDMAN. The manufacturing company's name is Topeak, and they are really making good stuff for bicycles, and the model is Defender XC11. First of all, I'm going to put the rear mudguard. Make sure that your seat post is accordingly to your height. So open it up, same like your seat post clamp, adjust, put it back, and clockwise, rotate clockwise for tightening. Make sure that your mudguard is in the center. Rotate clockwise and then lock. There you go. Very simple. Now I'm going to fix the front mudguard, and this front mudguard comes with 2 pieces. So this is basically the front part of the mudguard along with this curve, and this is the front rear portion, and these are the fittings. So the tricky part is that these 2 fittings are the same, and these 2 fittings with this pointed curve is the same. So the pointed curve fitting will fit with this part, the front one, and the plain one will be going with the front rear one, as you can see. Now we will fit the brackets accordingly, and these fittings, this comes with a hole and this comes without a hole. So make sure that over here it has got a hole, and same without a hole. So we are going to put this one accordingly, like this, and the other one like this. There you go. Same goes with the front rear one. As I've told you, this comes with a hole like this, and the other one is plain. It goes like that. There you go. Now we are going to put the Allen key bolts and going to fix the mudguards properly. There you go. Make sure that you're going to apply the proper torque. Not so hard, not so loose. There you go. And the other one, this is a small L key given by the company. I've got the longer one, but this L key is working fine. There you go. Proper torque. like this. There you go. Company has given extra 4 bolts. If you have a bigger fork, then use these bolts. Now I'm going to tell you orally how you are going to fix the front mudguards. So as I've told you that the pointed clips goes with the front part. So now like this, you see, like this. So the front mudguards will fix in your forks like this. Now we are going to adjust the front mudguards. So open the Allen key bolt. There is a rubber washer. Make sure that you don't lose that one. This one. Adjust your front mudguard accordingly. Put the Allen key back, and this is the special nut given by the company. There. Now I'm going to do the same procedure which I have done on this one. There. And make sure that when you put this one, it should go underneath like this. And this dotting, this yellow dotting should be in line, right? And this is the same special bolt and nut given by the company. You have to put it like this. There. Now it's time to final torque it down. So make sure that it's been all and lined up. Everything is intact. Now we have to apply the proper torque. Not so hard and not so loose, as I have told you. Almost done. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. So inshallah, see ya in a new vlog soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.